To continue, so dito, di ba, isang proposition lang. So, since isang proposition lang, 2 raised to 1, yung value mo sa n is 1. So, to solve, 2 raised to 1 is 2. So, nagawa tayo ng truth table, no, dito. So, yung 2 na yan, isahatiin mo para sa una, true, at para sa false, ano? Yung isang half is para sa true, yung isang half is para sa false. So, kung applying the negation, so yung negation or kabaliktaran ng true is false. Kabaliktaran ng false is, or yung negation ng false is true. Okay? So, let's move on to conjunction. Let P and Q be the statements. The conjunctions of P and Q written P and Q is the statement formed by joining statements P and Q using the word and. Okay? And sila tawag. So, the statement P and Q is true if both. So, P and Q is true if both P and Q are true. Otherwise, false. So, dito sa conjunction, kapag yung P mo is true, yung Q mo is true, yun, that will be the time na yung sagot mo, ay, no. Ay, sus, wait lang. Yung sagot mo sa P and Q is always true. Pag hindi parihong true si P and Q, so yung result mo is false. Okay? So, magtutrula si conjunction pag pariho true. Okay. So, paano na ini siya nahimo na table? Okay. So, we have here the P, and Q. So, dalawang proposition. Di ba? Meron tayong formula. 2 raised to n where n is the number of proposition. So, we have here 2 raised to 2 kasi P and Q. So, dalawang proposition which is equals to, okay, 4. So, ibig sabihin, dalawang true, dalawang false. Okay? So, sa unang column, dito sa P, dito yan sa P. Sa unang column, dalawang true, dalawang false. Okay? Next, dito naman sa Q. Dalagyan muna natin ng mga truth value yung P at saka Q before natin isolve yung P and Q. Okay, sa Q naman, since dito tig dalawa-dalawa, so dito naman sa Q, tig isa-isa. Ano? Tig isa-isa. Alternate. True, false, true, false. So, kaya true, false, true, false. Okay? So, ganyan lang yung lagay ng truth value. So, paano na isosolve natin to? So, di ba sabi ko kanina, pag sa conjunction, magto-true lang siya pag pareho yung P at saka Q is true. So, alin dito sa apat yung nag-true pareho, si P and Q. So, dito lang sa una. Kaya, ito lang yung true. So, dito sa pangalawa, true, false. So, false. False, true. False. False, false, false. So, hindi dito sa second to the fourth, hindi siya parehong true. Kaya siya nag-false. So, again, sa conjunction, magtutrula pag pareho true. Example, let R2 divides 4, S 2 divides 6, then R and S is the statement. So, R and S, 2 divides 4 and 2 divides 6. Because R is T and S is T, it follows that R and S is also T or true. Okay, so let's move on to disjunction. Let P and Q be statements. The disjunctions of P and Q, no, P or Q to. P or Q. Written, the P or Q is the statement formed by putting statements P and Q together using the word or. The truth value of the statements P or Q is true if at least one of the statement of so the truth value of the statement P or Q is true. If the statement at least one are true. Okay? So apply the formula 2 raised to n where n is equals to P or Q, gagawan natin ng truth table yung P or Q. So, dalawang truth value, proposition. So, 2 raised to 2 is equals to 4 ulit. So, para sa P, dalawang true, dalawang false. Para sa Q, isang true, isang false, isang true, isang false. So, hatiin mo lang yung dalawang true, tas alternate yung pag-label. Okay? So, dito, true, true, false, false. Tapos sa Q, true, false, true, false. So, since disjunction, P or Q, again, magtutrula at pag at least mayaon isa sa P or sa Q, may true. Basta may maimod kam na true, automatic true. So, dito ba mayon true? Okay, true. May true ba? Okay, true. Dito, may true ba? Okay, true. False, false, walang true. Kaya, false yung sagot. So, the final answer is true, 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 and false. So, let P 2 raised to 2 plus 3 raised to 3 is an integer. Let Q 2 raised to 2 plus 3 raised to 3 is an odd integer. So, to apply in sentence, magiging 2 raised to 2 plus 3 raised to 3 is an even integer, or 2 raised to 2 plus 3 raised to 3 is an odd integer. Sometimes, for better readability, we write P or Q. So, either 2 squared plus 3 cubed is an even integer, or 2 squared or 3 cubed is an even integer. Or, P or Q is 2 raised to 2 plus 3 raised to 3 is an even integer or an odd integer. So, ganyan yung pagsulat in a sentence form. So, let's move on to implication. Let P and Q be statements when P then Q is called the implication of or a condition. Written if P then Q. Then implication if P then Q is considered false when P is true and Q is false. Otherwise, the statement is considered true. So, in the implication, if P then Q is called the hypothesis and Q is called the conclusions. The truth table of the implication if P then Q is given by. So, dito sa implication, pag yung P mo is true, tapos yung Q mo is false, yun lang yung mag-false. Ibig sabihin, pag na-oy na yung true, pangalawa yung false, so ibig sabihin, yun lang mag-false. So, yung ibang result is true na. So, dito, so the same lang yung paglagay ng truth value para sa P at saka Q. So, ano dito yung nag-true false? Nag-true false. So, ito lang yung nag-true false. Ibig sabihin, dito lang siya magfo-false. Otherwise, ito hindi nag-true false, ito hindi nag-true false, ito hindi nag-true false. So, ibig sabihin ito, puro siya true. Okay? Let P 89,302 is divisible by 3 and Q 89,302 is divisible by 6. Then P, FP, then Q. So to apply in sentence form, if this one is the P, diba? So, if P, then this one is the Q. Okay? So, kung iga-apply natin siya in sentence form, if 89,000 is 300, if 89,302 is divisible by 3, then 89,302 is divisible by 6. So, kinapi lang to. Apply mo yung F tsaka then, no? Copy lang ito dito din sa Q. Okay? Sana yung by conditional. Wala dito yung by conditional. So, sa by conditional naman, ganyan, dalawang arrow. P, if, and only if, Q. So, dito, yung pagsabgot is kapag may nakita ka sa P at saka sa Q na pareho yung truth value, ibig sabihin pareho true, pareho false, automatic, yun yung magto-true. So, dito is true, dito pareho false, ibig sabihin true. So, dito is hindi pareho true, ibig sabihin false. At dito, hindi pareho true or hindi pareho false, so ibig sabihin false yung sagot. So, yun yung by conditional. Okay? This one. By conditional. Wala dito.